Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to disable Shopify payments on Shopify. Before I begin with the video, there's something I can offer you. You can get 3 free days of Shopify completely for free, and then you only have to pay $1 a month for the first month, and that's it. If you want that, click the link in the description. So to disable it, you need to go to Settings, Payment Providers, and you will see an option Manage Shopify Payments. And as you can see, this is how it looks like. At the very bottom of the page, you will see an option to deactivate Shopify payments. You will see here Manage, you will click Manage and then click on Deactivate, and this will complete the process. And that's pretty much it. It's super simple. So just go to Settings, Payment, Manage. Once you click Manage, you will see the Disable button, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video, and remember, for the Shopify link, you can have it, it's in the description.